Coming up steady, we're clear of the deck now, guiding it towards the stern.
We need to reinforce these structural points on Section A. The current alloy won't handle the atmospheric re-entry stress.
Mark to control, structural integrity holding steady at 99%. Thermal readings are nominal.
Carbon levels are stabilizing.
Reading a temperature spike near the center.
Purity numbers rising. The skim is efficient.
Bring it down slow. Clear the area below.
Delivery manifest confirmed.
All right, drivers, let's move. Keep the flow steady. Okay, operator, clamps engaged. Take the load up slow, maintain level. We have clearance.
If we route the conduits through Section Gamma, we save 3% on material cost.
My analysis confirms.
Delivery manifest confirmed.
All right, drivers, let's move. Keep the flow steady. Okay, operator, clamps engaged. Take the load up slow, maintain level. We have clearance.
Team, confirm synchronization on hull plate 16. Thermal checks complete on section 12. Proceed with welding sequence.
All right, team, synchronize on my mark. 3, 2, 1, engage.
Bring her down slow, Crane Alpha. Mills, confirm magnetic locks engaged on the primary joint. Dawson, status on the laser grid.
All right, synchronized descent on the Titan X rib. Maintain stabilization, Sarah. Mark, confirm laser alignment is solid green.
Slow descent, easy now.
Clear on my side.
Contact. Locking clamps.
Easy now, bring her down slow.
We're on the mark. Dead center.
Confirmed contact. Engaging clamps.
Hold the beam steady.
Clear on the lower deck.
Confirmed alignment. Proceeding with the weld sequence.
Temperature holding steady at 1500. Increase power to 1600. Looking good, Mark.
Watertight walls being installed inside the lower hull compartments. Precision engineering to prevent flooding. Hull bottom slowly taking final shape. Workers inspecting and sealing the last segments of the lower structure.
Mark, shift left by 4 millimeters. Hold it. Perfect.
Slow descent, hold steady against the wind.
Needs to come left 5 millimeters. Evan, can you push it?
Got the first pin set.
Mark, increase arc intensity. That's good. Keep the bead tight. Green team, reduce sway.
Wind's picking up fast.
Bring it down slow, perfect. Hold.
Precision alignment checks. The middle deck steel grid is tightened, leveled, and locked into position.
Stress levels optimal.
The team performs a dynamic movement test, walking patterns across the deck to confirm stability under real human.
Clamp secured. Foundation panel coming in, perfect alignment. Wall section coming down, hold it steady.
Lower, lower, STOP.
Frame set, secure reading looks good.
Mark, your line is clean. Beam is true. Slow it down, bring it 2 inches left.
Panel alignment shows green. Beam loads are perfect. Alignment good, bring in the next frame.
Connection locked, radar room frame is solid.
Bring it 5 inches left, perfect, hold it there.
Edges aligned, go for placement bolts.
Panel is seated, ready for welding.
Lower, slow, slow, hold.
Base is level, drop the stabilizing clamps.
0 point confirmed, she's locked in solid. Beam stable, reading is clean on all verticals.
Vertical alignment is dead on. 0 deviation.
Column is plumb, everything matches the deck axis. Bolt torque confirmed, logging the value now.
Reading accepted. Next bolt is ready when you are.
Rod tension is within spec. This frame is good for the lift.
Keep coming up steady, we're clear of the deck now, guiding it towards the stern.
The propeller reaches the exact position in front of the shaft, and Evan adjusts the laser tool to ensure perfect center alignment. Jason, a middle-aged African-American man, twists and pulls the emergency stop button to reset it, bringing the system back online.
Titan X-400, this is headquarters. We read you loud and clear.